So in this video, we're going to be setting up the video model and the relationships to it. So we're going to create a model called video with a migration. And I'm going to go ahead and just open this up now. So inside the video model, what we want to have is essentially a couple of things in here. So you want to have the title field. We want to have the description. And we want the original file as a string. And I also want this to be nullable for the description and the same for the original file path. We're then going to go ahead inside here and then create a thumbnail path. And we're going to create a v2t file, which is the one you see when you automatically preview on the slider in the video. We're also needing the use ID, so we need a foreign ID, use ID, constrained users, and it's going to be cascade on delete. And we want a boolean as well for it to be processed. We want the ability to check when it's live, and we want a process percentage. So that's all for the video model. Let's go ahead and migrate that. Perfect. So inside the video model, let's go ahead and set up a few relationships here. So every video belongs to a user. And every user can have many videos. Okay, so the next class we want to, or the next model we want to go ahead and create is called the video format model. So in the video format model, we want to have the different qualities of the video, such as 4K, 2K, 720p, and so on. So we only need a few things in here. In here, we will need things such as the ability to check the quality of it. We need a file path. And then we just need it to be related to foreign ID here. And then outside of that, we don't really need anything else in here because that would be enough for us to essentially work with that data. So I want to go back to the video model, and each video can have many formats. Gonna make sure you also import this class. And that's actually all for the video model. We have the video formats model and we have the video model, and that's everything we need for that. So let's go ahead and migrate that. And that should be everything. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video.